What's your name and what do you have to do with HomeWrights?
Yeah, so I am Elizabeth Crockless, and John Crockless, my husband, is a builder, and he leverages HomeWrights for his project management on all of his projects. And John and I have a very unique relationship in that I do all of the interior design for his projects. And I've noticed over the past, I think it's been 4 years that he's been using HomeWrights on his builds, that the project management is really what enables him to scale. He wouldn't be able to scale his own business without having project managers that assist him in getting him organized and his thoughts down on paper and making sure subs are together and on schedule.
So you guys, the two of you, are using the owner-builder approach at HomeWrights.
Correct, and I think we're on our 3rd project now with HomeWrights. And really it has kept them on time. We will have done 3 homes in 2.5 years, which for us it's a lot of building, really.
And what are the basics of the owner-builder program? How does that work?
Well, you can really leverage HomeWrights in a number of ways. My husband is truly a contractor, so he doesn't need the assistance as much on the build or permitting side as he does with the project management and subcontractors, really keeping everybody happy. You only have so many strengths, and sometimes you need that client relationship management, and that's a lot of what HomeWrights provides.
Well, and you have a talent for decorating, if I do say.
Oh, thanks so much.
Look at this place.
Yeah.
This is absolutely stunning.
It's been fun.
Is that your business?
No, it's not. I'm a consultant. It's really just what John and I do as a hobby.
Yeah? Well, it's a great hobby. Looks like it's paying off, huh?
Thank you. Yeah.
And you're in how many houses you've done with HomeWrights now?
I think this is our 3rd.